Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. If you purchase a trunk together with a washable liner bag, we're going to install that liner bag here at our factory. But if you already own a trunk and you're purchasing a washable liner bag separately, I'm going to show you how you can install that at home. The first thing you'll need to do is to put your tray ledge together. The tray ledge comes in two pieces. One piece has a peg, the other piece does not. Insert the peg into the hole in the side of the tray ledge to form one complete piece of tray ledge. From there, you have 4 strips of double-sided tape. You'll need to remove the backing from each of those 4 pieces. And now we're ready to install it inside the trunk. So this tape is going to end up adhered to the trunk right across there. But the tape is very strong. The adhesive on the tape is very strong. So you're likely only going to have one chance to get this right. So what you want to do is angle the tray ledge like this so that this top edge is what's in contact with the trunk. You can start down a couple inches from the top. You'll notice there's some play here. You want to make sure that you center that from left to right. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it should be close to centered. Then draw the tray ledge up until it contacts the trim at the top. And then swing it down into its final position. And then just apply some pressure. With some pressure on that adhesive, it's going to stick really well in that trunk. And then what we do is just simply take the other 2 sections of tray ledge and repeat that process for the front part of the trunk. Okay, included with your liner bag are 2 separate longer pieces of hook and loop. We're going to peel off the backing to expose the adhesive. And then this strip of hook and loop is going to get installed on the underside of the tray ledge. And you can just press that into place. And then you're going to repeat that same process for the tray ledge that's on the front of the trunk. Just press that into place. And I should mention that since you have installed this tray ledge, if you ever do decide to buy a Glide and Go tray, that you've done all the work already, the tray would just fit in with no extra work on your part. Okay, you're going to set your liner bag inside of the trunk, but you want to make sure that you set it in the correct way. So one end has 2 pieces of this hook and loop, whereas the other end has one solid piece of that hook and loop. You want the side with the 2 pieces to be all the way to the right of the footlocker where the lid stay is. The back and the front have a full length piece of hook and loop. We're just going to attach that to the underside of the back tray ledge. We'll take the front of the liner bag and attach that to the underside of the front tray ledge. Okay, on the sidewall of the liner bag, you want to pull that fabric through the gap between the sidewall of the trunk and the tray ledge. So you pull that fabric through there, fitting it into that gap. Peel off the backing to expose the adhesive. And then just press that adhesive into place right below the silver trim on the trunk there. And then same thing on this back edge. Fit it into place in the gap between the tray ledge and the side of the trunk. Peel off that backing to expose the adhesive. and just apply that adhesive to the sidewall of the trunk. Okay, and then we're basically just going to repeat that same process on the opposite side of the trunk. We're going to pull that liner bag into the gap between the sidewall of the trunk and that tray ledge. I'm going to do the same thing over on this side. Peel away the backing to expose the adhesive. And then press that into place just below the trim inside the trunk. And you've just installed your washable liner bag.